welcome to my channel Lux. I am Frank. Today we will talk about different ways of using 1/4 inch X bits with your Leatherman tool. I will show you all this with my Leatherman wave, but it will work with a lot of Leatherman. On a wave, there's a bit holder made for Leatherman flat bits. So, the first way to improve your Leatherman is a bit kit set. It can be used on any Leatherman with the large bit driver. It will provide you the mainly used bits on the market, but you still can use 1/4 inch X bits that can be found in any store. So your first solution to use it is the bit driver extender. It will extend the length of your screwdriver and it will allow you to use any X bits. Meanwhile, you still can use Leatherman flat bits. Here's an example with a Torx tamper-proof T25. You can also extend the length with an additional extender. But sometimes it's not enough. You may need a 90 degrees access to a screw, or you may just want a little more torque. The solution exists. The Leatherman Tool Adapter, also known as LTA. It comes in a plastic case with 6 bits. There's a free compartment to add one more X bit, the one of your need. It's easy to use. Just unfold partially your tool, place the adapter between the scales, and close your tool. You're done and ready to work. The Leatherman Tool Adapter has 3 different angles: 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, to have an easy access to any screw. It works with any 1/4 inch X bit. The Leatherman Tool Adapter with its box is a bit bulky, but it adds so many capabilities to your tool that it's worth it. The Leatherman Tool Adapter is not sold anymore, but you can easily find it secondhand. So, 2 solutions: the Leatherman Tool Adapter or the bit driver extender. Just choose yours. That's all for now. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. It's important for the channel. I am still Frank and you are still watching Lux. Bye!